Hey, you. Yes, you. Come do muscle building cardio with me. Huh? You know, there ain't no me without the shenanigans. Alright, it's about time. It's about time, man. It's about time. It's about time. Get in this game. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Reps, man. Let's get 12 reps. Then we go to jog for 30 seconds. 12 reps. Then we jog for 30 seconds. Seconds. up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Paro, get more than that, Sago. Paro, chop, paro, seco, paro, get more than that, Wells Fargo. No, we rest, because that is nonsense. That, my friend, is nonsense. This is nonsense. Working out is nonsense. Why do we do it? I run for 30 seconds and I'm dying. Do you hear me? Can you hear me breathing? It's nonsense. And it's time for me to go again. Because the minute is up. So I gotta go again. Because the minute is up. The minute is up. Woo! Now, I rest for 2 minutes. The first time, I rest for 1 minute. That's kind of my little, sometimes that's just my little transition into warming up. Is to do the first set. And you know, when you're fresh, you feel energized. So, my first set, I did a 1 minute rest and then moved to the second set. But then my second set, I already started dying. I need more time, man. Because this exercise here, it's not for the faint of heart. So, I need rest. I need more rest. So I'm taking more rest. Whew. But anyways, as we proceed to give you what you need, we are going to put 10 pounds on each side. Right now I'm working with 95 pounds in the bar, and then I'm gonna put 10 pounds inside. And that's gonna make it 95, 100, 105. How much is 95 plus 20? I don't even know. All I know is I have 15 seconds left before my rest is up. And then I have to go again. Again. Turn the lights on. It's time for me to go again. Turn the lights on. Who sing that song? Turn the lights off. Jay-Z, turn the lights on. Who sing it? Turn the lights off. It's time to go. Shut up. Let's go. We got work to do. No, you do not need to increase the weight no more. This is cardio. Cardio. Ah! And now I'm gonna take my jogging down to 20 seconds. Just as I can. This is my sheet. I do what I want. Now, back to 2 minutes rest. So, having an exercise like this, I'm not gonna be doing, say for example, I'm doing 10 sprints. Having an exercise like this, I'm definitely not doing 10 sets of this. I may be doing 5 sets or 6 sets with this and 10 sets of sprints. This is no joke. Definitely ain't no joke. Good stuff. Good stuff. Full body work. Oh man. I got 43 seconds left in my rest. Close seconds left in my rest. Are you with me? No seconds left in my rest. Turn the lights off. Turn the lights off. Turn the lights off. My gosh, man. It's a lot of work. Why do we even do this, man? Why? Why do we have to do this stuff? This is absolutely absurd. This is absurd. Turn the lights on. This is absurd. So absurd. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. I want to go home. Hey, Hey, baby, hey, baby, hey, baby, hey. That's what? Set number 3? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Isn't this gonna be set number 4 or 3? See? Stuff like this, it's like, why you do it? Because you can't even remember stuff. Can't even remember what set I'm at. Like, hot damn. And I got 8 seconds to do the next set. Like, can you believe this thing? Like, man, like, what? Time is up, I gotta go? Turn the lights off. Oh, wait, I'm over here, the switch is over. I don't have the energy. My time is up, I gotta go. You turn the light off.
Ha! What about that, huh? What you think about it? Get to work. Okay.
What I just did. Woo! Man, I'm sweating on these. I get to work. Okay. I got 20 seconds to get to work. Okay. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is beating my butt. I'm gonna reduce this weight. And I'm gonna reduce the sets too. Oh yeah. Because we did 1, 2, 3, 4. This is either the 4th or the 5th set. And if it's either the 4th or the 5th set, this is the last set with this bar. Oh yeah, I'm done with this thing. Like, I don't owe this thing anything. This thing owes me gains. And I just put in the work, so you better pay up. You better pay up even when I lower the weight. Oh, you already know what's up. Damn, 55 seconds left. What do you think I am? You think I'm a magic machine? Like, 45 seconds before it's time to... Can you believe this?
You better hurry up and take those weight off.
Okay. I don't have a choice. I want to look sexy and sexy all the way around. I don't have to take the weight off, okay? I want to look sexy all year round and be able to see all these right here. You got 15 seconds. Take the weight up, okay? Now I want to do 8 reps with this guy. You got 2 seconds. Shut up. Take. Okay. So like I was saying, I want to get 8 reps with this guy. You need to start. The time is up. Okay. I gotta go. He said I gotta go, so I gotta go.
Go! Okay. Why are you carrying me around? Because I want to show them something. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Is that 5 reps? I think it's 5. That set is crappy because I'm tired. It's time for you to run. Okay. Are we still doing 20 seconds? Yes. Okay. Now that we finished with the bar, excuse me, and we only have the treadmill left, take 3 seconds rest. 3 seconds? I need 3 minutes, hot damn. My brain cells are glitching. Because I think the oxygen flow, despite it should be increasing, I think I have an oxygen flow deficiency right now. So let's give me a minute to get my shit together. You know, take your time with me for a second. As a brother's tired. My brother is sweaty. My brother is out of breath. My brother is starting to feel, take the weight off. Okay. My brother got, where's the timer not going? I set the timer, but the timer stopped. I'm gonna set it for, let's see. Oh well, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Let's do that. Are you sure you want to do that? Yeah. All right. Thank you. So, like I was saying, what was I saying? I don't remember what I was saying, but you know, take the win, okay. "55 seconds left. Okay. Guys, 10 seconds left. Gosh, I don't want to do 10 reps. Start your set. Oh, okay. Oh, where does the timer go? There it is. We got 2 minutes in between these runs. So at points like these, I'll literally throw in whichever core exercise I want to do. All right, we got 30 seconds left. go, guys. We're wrapping it up slowly but surely. I'm sorry, but the way I'm feeling right now, it's about to be my last set. If you know what I mean. My brother's tired. Let's get that pour. If you stick with me to the end, good job. If you give it a try, another day, and you follow along, comment and let me know how it went for you. What was the hardest part for you? Now let's talk about it. All right? Until next time. Peace.